beyond just susceptible and resistant. And really, it's a very long talk, and it's
So as we ask more question, we get more confused and we understand that there is a role of microbiologist as well as ID specialist because it is their day-to-day domain.
Correct. We should not. Again and again I have been saying that my results have improved after I stopped giving antibiotics myself. I have not written a single antibiotic prescription in the last 15 years. We work as a team. Every case.
So I understand. So inside OT, if you have to leave one screw inside, infection is there, you will ask her that can I afford to leave this screw?
That is my decision. That is my decision. Surgery is my decision.
no, sir.
Surgery is my decision.
The decision to leave the screw is entirely sirs. What I do with it afterwards is, my
Okay. I said we have about we have about 5-7 minutes and then we'll have that quick fire.
Okay. So basically, there's a hierarchy of resistance even in gram negatives. But suffice to say that if you have an extended spectrum, there are certain drugs that you can use, and if you have carbapenem resistance, which unfortunately is more and more common in our setting, there are fewer and fewer antibiotics that we have at our disposal. And finally, I just tried to summarize it by explaining that, based on that same flowchart that I showed, these are the drugs that you would choose for the various varieties or the various variables that we took into consideration. Nuisance of biofilm, very quickly to touch upon. Organisms that form effective biofilms are many, they're myriad, but these would be the most important. We understand the characteristics of a biofilm and how the strength is in numbers really. And these are the drugs that we would choose for biofilm activity for gram positives: rifampicin, daptomycin, ceftaroline or fosfomycin. Gram negatives, if you have a fluoroquinolone which is sensitive, you may get away with a fluoroquinolone alone because it has such a powerful biofilm activity. Fosfomycin also does. And leave you with this last slide to just mull over that, just the highlight characteristics of each of these bugs. Thank you.